Hey, what's going on, guys? Good morning. Today is March the 31st, and today we are actually going to make a video for you guys. This might take several days. We usually don't do this kind of work, but I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to bring it out to you guys so you guys can see what we're doing. Say hello to the camera, my friend.
What's up, guys?
Let's go. Buenos dias.
Are you gonna bring your kids?
My kids? Well, my oldest is 11, so in a few years.
That's good, man.
Yeah. You know, once he turns like 15, you know, I can start getting him. Yep. Yeah, the trade. Yeah, definitely. Okay, guys, so this is what we got. Ventilation pipe. Sink, it's usually located here. And toilet right over here. You can actually see the flange. Pipe goes to the stack. So our plan is to replace part of this pipe, which is galvanized. We're not gonna replace it all the way. Maybe we're gonna start from that point, from that, it looks like a 22.5 there.
Okay. Mira cómo está.
That's clogged. About 3/4 of the way. Just build up. Mejor.
Andrew. Yeah. Qué bueno que lo hicimos a pronto, eh.
Alright, guys, so we are in the basement now. And this is a stack. Going from 4 inches cast to 3 inches copper. We told the customer that, you know, I mean 3 inches is fine, but I guess, you know, to replace it in the future to PVC and do 4 inches there. So like the whole thing, the fan, the drain, everything will be 4 inches. We got some copper that I believe we replaced in the past. But like I said, bathroom upstairs, it's cast and galvanized. We're gonna replace it with PVC. The water supply galvanized, replace it with copper as well. So this is a clean out here for the sink. There's 2 floors in this house. So this is now, but we're gonna show you how everything looks at the end, guys. And we're planning to be here 2 days. Hey, good morning everybody, and welcome to Gabriel the Plumber. So today is day number 2. Like you guys notice here, we are working on the main drain, on the building drain. We remove part of the stack, the drain from the toilet. We're gonna start working from upstairs, and we're gonna move our way down just because we have a sump pump here and that's working, and it sounds like there's water going in there non-stop. So I think that's gonna be the last part. I mean, because we don't want to be in a rush. I mean, this is probably gonna take about an hour of work to repipe upstairs, and we don't want anything to get messy. So let me go ahead and show you upstairs, guys. So water supply pretty much is done. We're working on the drain. Alright, so this is what we got. Hot and cold for the sink. Cold for the toilet. Like we said the other day, we repipe all the way to the 2nd floor. And right now, we just cut the stack and we're gonna put a coupling and run it with PVC, 4-inch PVC all the way down. All right, guys, so this is our final video for the replacement of some of the drain from the first floor bathroom. Don't worry about this, it was just a mistake. A rookie mistake, I guess. First floor bathroom, sink, toilet. Customer remodeled the bathroom. He was really smart about it. He decided to replace all the piping, water and drain. So like I said, this is all 4 inches going out to the stack, to the toilet, to the first floor toilet there. This pipe coming from the sink, going to that 4-inch drain. Same thing with the sump pump. They had copper, brought it up, and to 4-inch PVC. Again, sorry about that. We are humans, so we try our best to be as professional as possible. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, customer is going to replace all this to 4-inch PVC in the near future, so that's going to get replaced. It goes all the way, so it goes all the way into the overhead sewer. He's planning on building a bathroom here in the basement, so when that's done, we're gonna replace the whole thing at the same time. Let me go ahead and take you upstairs. We tested everything for any leaks. Nothing's leaking. Just this minor ugly art that we put in the pipe. Water supply with 2 valves, 3/4 for hot and cold. That's the flange. The only thing that we didn't glue is the flange because we're gonna leave it for the people who's gonna come back and put I don't know, whatever they put, plywood, tile, drywall. So once again, this is the 3/4 pipe going all the way to the 2nd floor. Cut, galvanize, put a male adapter, replace it with PVC. All 2 inches, drain, vent, 1.5 inches here. We put the angle stops already for the toilet and the sink. Four-inch stack going up all the way. Rubber coupling or no hub, reinforced no hub. We tested bathrooms upstairs, nothing leaking. We reinforce the pipe with that 4-inch clamp, good and stable. Hopefully you guys like the video. Enjoy. Leave your comment. Subscribe to the channel. If you guys want to see any other videos in the future, give us any ideas. We just flushed the toilet upstairs. If you notice, earlier in the video, they had a ventilation pipe going this way, and that was the old ventilation for the toilet, but that is not necessary because now we connect this straight with a sanitary tee straight to the drain. They had it a little different before, and I guess it was just up to code about 80 to 100 years back. So we remove that and just we keep the ventilation for the sink. We are going to come back in the next few days, once, maybe in a week or so, once they're done with floors and walls. We're gonna come back, install the sink, toilet, and I will definitely do another short video about that once we're done.